everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Faith. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am showing you what is in my hospital bag. I had to get this finally packed because at my last appointment I found out I'm 80% effaced and a centimeter dilated. I'm currently 38 weeks pregnant, so this baby could come at any time, so I wanted to make sure I was prepared. And I mentioned this in my 36-week update, I think, but I'm packing what I think is a pretty minimal hospital bag. I've seen a ton of hospital bag videos on YouTube doing research, seeing what I should bring, and a lot of them just seemed like there was a lot of stuff, and I just wanted to pack a little bit more minimally. I know from going to the hospital for the tour and the prepared childbirth class that we had what the hospital actually provides for you. So there's a lot of things that other people packed in their bags that I know I won't need because the hospital will have there for me. So it probably just depends on your hospital and everything like that. But if you're looking to pack minimally in your hospital bag, I think this should be a good video. I think this is minimal. Some people might pack even less, but for me, this is very minimal, but I think it still includes everything I need. If, please, because I'm a first-time mom, pregnant person, if you think I'm missing something very, very important, let me know down in the comments and I will add it to my bag. But this is what I have for now, so I want to kind of show you everything I have for me and baby. If you are new here, again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. But yeah, guys, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you what I have in my hospital bag. So this bag, just in case you were curious, is a Steve Madden, like Madden girl bag. I will link where I got this. I think I got it off of DSW. It's a nylon big tote. I'm actually going to use this as my diaper bag once baby's home. I have one of those tote savvy inserts with all like the different pockets and things that I'm going to put in here, but I figured it would be good for my hospital bag too. So it is fairly large. It's about 3/4 full, so it is pretty full and it's a big bag, but this is everything I'll need. Like, I don't have a separate bag. Everything I need will be in here. So I think that that's pretty good. I might bring a pillow though. I have a boppy or my pregnancy pillow. I might have Nick grab that and put that in the car. But this is everything, so let me show you. First, let me just show you what I have for baby Drew because that is the most minimal. The hospital really will have everything for the baby except for an outfit to go home in, and if you wanted to bring like a swaddle, they said to bring your own swaddle. I think they have the receiving blankets, but you can bring a swaddle. So I actually have two outfits just in case I want to take different pictures or change my mind. And these are gender neutral outfits because we don't know if baby Drew is a boy or girl. If you're new here and didn't know that, yes, I don't know if this is a boy or girl. It's killing me at this point. I just am dying to know. But yeah, I have two outfits here and they each have a little hat. So how I folded these is actually just folded them up, rolled them up, and then put the hat right around it, and it keeps it all nice and tight together. Really good tip. But this is a little ducks onesie little thing. It's so cute. My mom got this for me for the shower. It's from the brand Little Me. I love that brand. So yeah, I just roll it up like this, and then I put the hat gently around it. I don't want to stretch the hat out, but I just put the hat around it. So it's like that. I also have this little, what would this be called? It's like a little sleep sack thingy that you tie at the bottom. This is from Little Miss Dessa, and I think it's super, super cute. It looks really cute. I think this will be nice for Instagram pictures. I'm already thinking about taking an Instagram picture of my baby. That's kind of sad. But this is super cute. It also has the little cuffs, and it ties at the bottom, and it comes with a little hat like this. Little Miss Dessa will also send you this with a little bow if you know if it's a boy or girl, but since I didn't know, I just went with the hat. So again, I just kind of wrap that up and roll it and then put the hat around it like that. Then I also have this swaddle from Little Miss Dessa. I just love the coloring of it. I love how big and stretchy it is. I love this color for gender neutral more so than gray. I think gray looks a little more boyish. I do have a bunch of gray stuff that if I have a girl, I'll still put her in. But I just love this oatmeal color. I think it's really, really pretty. And that is all I have for baby Drew, because the hospital will take care of everything else. They have like just the singlet onesie things and the receiving blankets. So this is all I have for the baby. Now let's get into my clothes. So the first thing I have here is this silky robe. And this I, again, pictured wearing for like my first picture with the baby. This is from MYK Silk. I will link them down below. It got really wrinkly in the bag. I might have to like throw it in the dryer or something, but I just thought that this would be really pretty and comfy if I'm just like laying in the hospital bed with the baby after the baby is born. I have a couple pairs of underwear. These are both from Victoria's Secret. I will link the kind they are down below. They're big and they're seamless and they're so, so comfortable. So I think these will be good for after birth. They'll just be like really soft and big and comfy, and I've had them for a while, so I really don't care if they get ruined. I also have just a little pair of like shorts, like pajama shorts. I figured I could wear these underneath the robe or something like that, or just wear them to sleep. They're just huge shorts that I wear to bed. Just comfy. And then I have a couple nursing bras and tank tops. So I have this nursing tank top from Uplifties is the name of the brand. I will link them down below. So I just have this white nursing tank top. Again, I figured I could wear this under the robe or with these shorts if I'm just in the hospital room. I really like this because it has some good padding in here. I just think that that's going to be nice, and it has like a shelf bra in there. Really nice, thick material. I also have just a nursing bra from Uplifties. Again, really thick, nice material. Has a little bit of lace on it. I also have this nursing bra that I got off Amazon. It actually came in a pack of 5 maybe. There were like 3 black ones, this gray one, and then a printed one. So I'm just bringing one of these. These are a lot more cheap feeling, I guess, than the Uplifties ones, but they're really comfortable and just easy. So I wanted to bring one of these too, just in case I needed another one. This kind just kind of folds down over. They're so comfortable. Again, I'll link everything down below. These were really, really affordable. And then for a going home outfit, I just have this huge maxi dress. I figured I'm gonna want something that's cool because it's gonna be most likely very warm, and really loose because I'm still gonna be kind of like pregnant looking. So this is just a really big, loose maxi dress that I have rolled up in there. And also whatever clothes I'm wearing on the way to the hospital, I could always rewear on the way home. So I didn't want to pack a bunch of outfits for myself. I also have my slippers in case I want to be comfy. I know hospital rooms can be a little cold. I'll probably be hot when I'm in labor. I won't need these then, but like afterwards, I might want these slippers. So these are just from BearPaw, and they're just my slippers. I also have a pair of comfy socks in case I want socks, but just one pair. Okay, now let me show you what I have for like my toiletries and things like that. I am bringing a dry shampoo. This is my favorite one. It's from Not Your Mother's. It's the Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo, the unscented one. So I just threw this in here. I also have a lotion. This is from Glossier. This is more so for like massage if I need Nick to rub my back and it's just like not working well. He can use some lotion. I don't really need this, like it's not a huge necessity, but I figured I should bring it just in case. I also have a little mini hairbrush, and then I have the rest of my toiletries in this little container. This is from Case Up. You can get this on Amazon. It's a really, really nice like makeup organizer, or you can organize toiletries in here. So I have both. I have some makeup and I have some of my other toiletries. So it just opens up like this. You can actually hang it. I probably won't be doing that, but like if you were just using this for travel or vacation, it could be really nice. So in this bottom section, I have my makeup. I really am not packing a lot. I mean, I guess for most people this is probably a lot, but I'm kind of a makeup person and I know I'm gonna wanna make myself look nicer. So I have a mascara, a concealer, a bronzer, a blush, a couple brushes, and a couple face powders just to like even out my skin tone. Nothing crazy. I'm not going to be doing a full face of makeup, but just a few things that I know will spruce up my face. Then in here I have a new toothbrush, toothpaste, a razor. I have my face wash, my favorite face wash, which is this from Clinique. A bunch of makeup wipes. These are the Neutrogena makeup wipes. I love these. And then I have a little tiny container of my favorite conditioner. This is the Pureology conditioner that I talk about all the time. It has a minty smell to it, and that's actually more so why I'm bringing it, is for the smell, because this is the only smell that really calms me. And I'm going to try and deliver naturally, like without any epidural or anything. I'm open-minded to the epidural. If I need it, I'll get it, but I'm going to try and go natural. So if I need to just like sniff this conditioner to calm me, I think that that might help, and I can use it in my hair if I wanted to. But actually for like shampoo and conditioner, I thought this was a really good idea. I just have a little sample that I got at one point from either Sephora or Ulta. It's a sample of shampoo and conditioner from this Love Beauty and Planet. So I just have this in here in case I want to take a shower. And I also have a bunch of my contacts, just extra contacts. A lot of these things too you could get in travel sizes, and it would even cut down on the space as well. I just didn't, because I didn't want to spend the money on a travel size. But if you're really looking to save even more space, you could definitely get travel size face wash or put it in a travel size container. I just didn't feel like doing that. So I also have these little inserts for Baby Drew's baby book. These are for like a footprint. So I'm bringing this with me just in case I want them to do the footprint right on here, so I can put it in the book once I get home. And then there's a little like inside zipper pocket that I have a few things in. These actually came with the Little Miss Dessa order. These are little name tags that say hello, my name is. And I have a blue one and a pink one just in case, or a neutral one. I think that this would be really cute for a picture as well. And then I have a phone charger and my headphones. And that is it. That is everything that I'm packing in my hospital bag. Again, if you think that I'm missing something very important, please let me know in the comments, but this is basically everything I'm bringing. But yeah, I hope that this was helpful. If you are pregnant and looking to pack a hospital bag, let me know down below in the comments if this was helpful. Packing your hospital bag definitely makes it feel very real, like it's really coming together and you're about to have your baby. It's so exciting. But yeah guys, that is it. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!